This video will show you how you can add someone to your Meta, Instagram or Facebook ad account safely in the way recommended by Meta, the company. So it's really important that you add them as a partner rather than adding them inside your business manager or your business portfolio. And the reason being is that is much safer as a way to access, to prevent hacking, and it's better for security. That's how I'm going to recommend you do it today. Okay, so step one is you're going to go to business.facebook.com, the one that has access to your business portfolio. As a side tip, you shouldn't have more than one Facebook profile. You should use the same personal profile to access any of your business assets or business portfolio. The reason being, if at a later time you need to have your ID checked by Facebook, if you have a fake account, they won't let you back into it. So really important there. Right, on the left-hand side, you can see all of the business portfolios you've got access to. You probably only have one. I have many because of the industry I'm in. But if you have more than one, you want to select the one that has the ad account that you're going to share. So in this case, I'm going to choose this one here. And then I'm going to go to settings over here on the bottom left, ignore the warning there. And then we're going to click on partners. Right, now, once we've clicked partners, we're going to click on add here, give a partner access to your assets, and then put the number in here that you're wanting to share access. So this is the partner ID of the partner that you're going to be sharing your ad account with. Now, if they don't have a partner ID to share with you, then that's a problem because it means they're not doing things in the right way and they're probably not set up well to run ads. So that would be a red flag for me, but ask the business partner, the freelancer or the agency to share with you their partner ID. They should know what that is, and then they'll give you this long number and then you pop it in here, and then you're going to have the opportunity to choose which of the assets you want to share with this partner. So we'll go down them one by one. Facebook page. So select the page that you want to share with the partner. In this case, I'm going to share this page. And I'm going to share, in this case, just the ability to work with ads. So in this case, the partner I'm working with, I don't want them to be able to create content or do any of this other stuff, just to work with ads and ad insights. So that's the only thing I'm going to select there. If you've got more than one page you want to share, you can select it here and select it there. Now you want to go to ad accounts, find the ad account that you are wanting to share, and this is the one here. And then you want to, this is where it's really important to select the right thing. If they're just doing an audit and they're not yet your paid partner, you don't have a contract with them, then I recommend choosing view performance only. So they'll just have view access. It means that if they get hacked, the hackers won't be able to access your ad account. But if you need them to run ads for you, launch ads, change budgets, etc., then you're going to select manage ad accounts here. And then you just click simply assign assets, and there it is. They will automatically be added as a partner to your ad account. And there it is, it's done. Once you've done that, you might also want to add other assets to that partner. So the way you do that at a later date, if you want to add additional assets, is you click on partners, find the partner, in this case it's Ecom Growth Collective here, and then you want to click on assign assets, and you can go down these other assets here. So for instance, catalogs, pixels, Instagram accounts, etc. You can go down, so catalog, we want to have manage everything, pixels, we might have manage everything, Instagram accounts, we might just have ads, offline event sets, there's none there, domains, there's a couple here, and data sets. So you can select them all there and select here, manage event data set, and then you click on assign assets. So you'll get a little error here if you haven't done the second step. So for each asset, you need to select the asset, and then you need to select the permissions, and then you can just click assign assets, and then you have to select one of these. So as an agency is usually the answer. Click next, click I accept, and it should share all those with the partner. And there you go, that's done. So there you have it. You've now successfully assigned all the assets you wanted to your business partner. I share lots of content and videos about running ads for e-commerce businesses. I'm a successfully exited e-commerce agency founder, e-commerce coach, consultant, and I just love everything about ads, and I've got tons to share. So watch this space for more videos. Make sure you subscribe and give us a comment if you've got any questions.